Okay guys, so before we head inside the van to start working in there on our project today, I just quickly wanted to show you the wheels. The other day, last week, I had my buddies from Dunn Right Wheel Repair, Jamie and Austin, come out right on site here to repaint my wheels. If you remember, they were silver painted from the factory with the black plastic hubcaps. So they came out and they repainted a nice black, and then with a nice gloss clear coat over the black paint. And then I ceramic coated the wheels with System X wheel, which is a 3-year coating, which is about the max you're going to get out of any ceramic coating on a wheel. This System X wheel is specifically made for wheels. And then I ceramic coated the plastic center caps or hubcaps, however you want to describe them, with System X Revive, which is their plastic ceramic coating to rejuvenate and to coat plastic trim. That has got about a 2 to 3 year longevity rating, again depending on exposure to things like UV especially, and road chemicals. So as you can see, they came out really nice. The wheels would look better if the tires were dressed, but unfortunately they are not. I haven't really done anything like that yet. They told me to hold off on dressing the tires, but focusing on the wheel and center cap, they both came out really nice, especially the work done by Dunn Right Wheel Repair. Again, they came right out on site, took the wheels off the van, painted them in their truck, and then put them right back on. Easy peasy. So if you live in the Bucks County and Montgomery County areas here in Southeast PA, and you're looking to get your wheels painted, refinished, they also do refinishing, repair curb damage, road rash, things like that on your wheels. Give them a call. I'll leave contact information in the description below for them, as well as their Facebook page if you are in the area and you'd like to hire them for their services. So with that all being said, let's head inside the van to get to work.